making first layer. Make a plus sign at the selected face. I have selected orange color, making the plus sign at the orange color. The center color are fixed throughout the making of face. So I got the icon which contain orange and white. So moving this icon to white and white, and now moving at the face. The icon contain orange and white. Now second item, icon which contain orange and blue. Finding the icon orange and blue. Orange and blue is moved in. Now selecting icon cube of orange and yellow. Finding the icon of orange and yellow. Yes, I got it. Now moving to the face of orange. Yes, it is done. Now going to orange and green. Orange, yes, and green. It is done. The plus sign is completed. Now going to the corners. On this one, all four corners should be arranged proper manner. The first corner contain orange, white and green. Finding the icon which contain orange, white and green. Here there. Now moving to that position. Yes, it is done. Now going to second corner which contain orange, white and blue. Here there. Yes. Yes, it is done. Now going to the second last corner of the cube. So it contains orange, blue and a yellow. Shifting it to right. Up. Now last corner which contain color orange, yellow and green. The first layer is completed. The first layer is completed when the phase of all color is meeting with the first layer containing a same color which contain with the center of the face. Yes, this is the first layer is completed. For second layer, please see my another video of second layer. Thanks.